Spoken English for beginners. Greetings. Number 1. Hello. Number 2. Hi. How are you? Number 3. I am fine. Thank you. Number 4. Nice to meet you. Number 5. Good morning. Number 6. Good afternoon. Number 7. Good evening. Number 8. How is your day going? Number 9. Long time no see. Number 10. See you later. Introducing yourself. Number 11. My name is Dash. Number 12. I'm from Dash. Like, I'm from Sialkot. Number 13. I am student. Number 14. I am learning English. Number 15. I'm 15 years old. Number 16. I live in Punjab. Number 17. Nice to meet you. Number 18. What is your name? Number 19. Where are you from? Number 20. What do you do? Daily use sentences. 21. I am hungry. Number 22. I am tired. Number 23. I am busy. Number 24. I am ready. Number 25. Let's go. Number 26. Wait a minute. Number 27. Please help me. Number 28. I don't understand. Number 29. Can you repeat that? Number 30. Speak slowly, please. At the shop. Number 31. How much is this? Number 32. It's too expensive. Number 33. Do you have this in another size? Number 34. I like this one. Number 35. I will take it. Number 36. Can I pay by card? Number 37. Do you have a discount? Number 38. Where is the cashier? Number 39. I'm just looking. Number 40. Thank you. On the phone. Number 41. Hello. Who is speaking? Number 42. May I speak to you? Number 43. Please call me later. Number 44. I will call you back. Number 45. The line is not clear. Number 46. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Number 47. I'm busy right now. Number 48. I shall talk to you later. Number 49. Thanks for calling. Number 50. Goodbye. Goodbye.